How to change column labels or column names in a Pandas data frame. To change or rename the column labels of a data frame in Pandas, just assign the column labels to the data frame column names property. Now consider that we are given this data frame where we have three columns with the column labels name, quantity, and demand. Now consider that instead of the name, you would like to specify it as fruit name, and instead of quantity, we would like to specify it as fruit quantity, and also the demand we would like to change it to fruit demand. Now take the new column names in a separate list. New columns is equal to fruit name, fruit quantity, and fruit demand. Now we need to assign these new columns to the columns property of the data frame. Access the data frame columns using columns property and assign it with the new columns list. Now print the data frame to the output. Run the program. Let us make it bigger. The column names in the original data frame have been renamed to our new columns. Now let us try with a new list of column names. Let us just give them as A, B, and C. Run the program. The column names have been renamed to A, B, and C. Concluding this video, we have seen how to change or rename the column labels of a data frame in Pandas by assigning the new column labels to the data frame columns property. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.